good afternoon, good night, everyone. How's everyone doing? Sophia's Way here. Today I will be making an omelet, and I have my eggs. I have my 7-layer blend Taco Bell cheese. I have my salt and my pepper, and I already had some bacon cooked. So I have my bacon. I'm gonna cut that up. I try to cook a lot of bacon at one time and just keep it in the refrigerator when I make things like this. So I'm gonna start off by cracking 2 eggs. What are some of your favorite ingredients to use in omelets? Today I'm making it very simple. Just eggs, cheese, and bacon. Sometimes I like to use onion, tomatoes, whatever kind of protein I have in the refrigerator. So today it's going to be bacon. We're gonna make it very simple. So I'm gonna whip that up well. And we are whipping that egg well. And we're still whipping that egg. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my bacon. Gotta watch your fingers. Cut my bacon up. Okay, and this is an omelet pan that I purchased from Amazon. If you just type in omelet pan, it should come up. I was looking for an easier way to make an omelet. As you know, sometimes when you make your omelets in a bigger pan that's not this shape, it tends to like just go all over the place. So I wanted something smaller, and I was looking for a smaller pan, and this came up. I'm like, perfect. It is non-stick, so but I went on ahead and coated the whole pan and the sides, but it wouldn't stick anyway. All right, so we added the egg. We're gonna let that cook. I have it like on a medium high. All right, I'll push my egg so all the liquid egg can come down and cook. I want to get all that egg cooked because oops, look at that. I almost made a mess, y'all. But I don't like a runny egg. Don't give me a runny egg. I know some people like runny eggs. No. I'm cooking an omelet. I want my egg to be done. Leave a comment below and let me know how you like your eggs cooked, especially when you're doing an omelet. Do you like it well cooked or like a medium well? All right, so I added my bacon. I'm gonna add my cheese. I try to shred my own cheese, y'all, but you know, having shredded cheese in your refrigerator at all times, it just really saves time. So today, that's what we're doing. And I'm gonna fold my egg in. Whoops, don't worry about that. We can fix that. Push it down to get any egg to push out that's not cooked. And I'm gonna add some more egg. And I told you I will fix that. See, we just add some more cheese, which I was gonna do anyway. Another layer. And I flipped it successfully. Yay! And we're gonna push lightly. And there you go. push lightly just to make sure. You don't want the cheese to come out because by now the cheese is melted. And I love this pan because look at it, it's the perfect omelet every time. Just put what you want in your omelet and you will have the perfect omelet. If you have this pan already, leave a comment below. This was one of the best finds that I found on Amazon. And I'm gonna flip it over into my plate, and it came out perfect. I'm gonna cut it so you can see what the center looks like. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And there you have it. The perfect omelet every time. I'll see y'all in my next video. God bless. Have a great day.